Hi guys, welcome back to Kruze Club. Today I'll be taking you on a detailed exterior tour of the new Porsche 911 Carrera GTS. Let's start with the front. The new front bumper features these distinctive vertical slats, which not only add to the car's aggressive stance, but also help to improve airflow and reduce drag. Start off with the bumper. 2025. So you got these vertical slats. I think they're active too. The use of carbon fiber trim pieces adds a touch of lightweight, high-performance flair to the design. The front bumper itself is a work of art, with its chiseled lines and sculpted shape, creating a potent blend of power and sophistication. Available is an optional feature. These are the Porsche Matrix headlights, which are sleek and boast LED tech, distinctive daytime running lights, and PDLs, embodying the aggressive Porsche aesthetic. All these features combined give the GTS a face that's fiercely aggressive yet flawlessly elegant. The GTS rides on stunning 20-inch center locking wheels, which add to the car's aggressive stance and performance capabilities. Note the intricate design and details of the wheels, which feature a unique Y-shaped spoke pattern and a high gloss finish. This one is equipped with the aluminum monoblock brakes, but can also be equipped with the optional carbon ceramic brakes for better stopping power. A stunning rear end that's not just aesthetically pleasing, but also home of the GTS's powerful 3.6-litre electric turbocharged flat 6, pushing 530 horsepower and 570 Nm of torque. Note the intricate details and design elements, including the distinctive LED light signature and subtle rounded edges that add a touch of sophistication to the design. And now our attention turns to the rear wing, a key element of the 911 Carrera GTS's aerodynamic package. The rear wing is not only a styling element, but also a functional component that helps to generate downforce and improve the car's handling and stability at high speeds. The rear diffuser is perfectly integrated into the rear bumper, a cleverly designed element that helps to optimize airflow under the car. The use of carbon fiber here not only reduces weight, but also adds a touch of motorsport-inspired flair to the design. And now to the exhausts, which feature innovative valve-controlled technology, closed in normal modes reducing noise and emissions, and open in sport mode, unleashing the 911's full exhaust fury. And there you have it, the rear of the stunning 911 Carrera GTS. From the sleek LED taillights to the aggressive rear diffuser, every element of this car's design has been carefully crafted to deliver exceptional performance, handling, and style. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tearing up the track, the 911 Carrera GTS is sure to turn heads and leave a lasting impression. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.